Item 4.1, the ordinary Mangakino-Pouakani representative group meeting on the 19th of March. Do we have a points of clarification of those minutes? No. Can I have a mover, please? Thank you, Councillor Truman. Seconded by Councillor Hickling. All those in favour, please say aye. Against? Carried.
Just
4.2. Sorry.
The Mangakino minutes.
Yes.
How's the disc golf going?
It's going really well. It's really hugely popular. Yep.
Yeah, I believe one started up in Inglewood and Taranaki, so it seems to be a good decision from council.
Cool. Just to remind the councillors to speak up nice and loudly, so we can hear down the back. That'd be good. 4.3. Ordinary, 4.2, ordinary Turangi-Tongariro Community Board minutes on the 9th of April. Do I have any points of clarification? No. Can I have moved by Councillor Stewart, seconded by Councillor Kingy. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Against? Carried. 4.3, ordinary Fences, Roading, Reserves and Dogs Committee meeting on the 16th of April. Any points of clarification? Councillor Hickling.
Not a point of clarification, Your Worship. It's just to draw Council's attention to the Whakaaro Road proposal for a pedestrian island from Somerset across Whakaaro Road.
Yes.
That particular project is on hold at the moment, pending further investigation.
Okay.
So just like to bring that to the attention of the other councillors, Your Worship.
Okay, thank you very much, Councillor Hickling.
I'm pleased to move those minutes are correct.
Correct record. Thank you very much, Councillor Hickling. Seconded by Councillor Williamson. Clarification, Councillor Boddy.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. 4.9 in regards to this traffic control. One of the things we looked at, Councillor Hickling has just updated us. But during that meeting, I questioned the ability to put a zebra crossing on that particular piece of road, and the assistant asset manager transportation advised that a zebra crossing would not be appropriate in this particular location. Now I believe traffic counters have been put out there. Can I just have it from the asset manager why that zebra crossing may not be suitable for that particular piece of road?
Okay, so I think through your worship,
Mr. Green.
if we can, I think that is a better conversation to be had. The project is on hold at the moment, and part of the thinking is that we'll bring it back to that committee for reconsideration. So we're just getting some more information, which will include the points that you've just raised.
If that's the case, then I'd like to be put before council so it's documented. I believe that particular the particular regulation that you had to have traffic and pedestrian counts. In 2009, the NZTA's pedestrian planning guide stated, among other things, it would consider a wider range of options to help them choose the best one for the circumstances based on a better understanding of the likely effects on safety and delay to all users. For example, justifying putting a zebra crossing somewhere, even if pedestrian numbers don't justify it, because it's deemed a hazardous place to cross for, say, elderly and children pedestrians. We might decide to put the zebra crossing on a raised platform for additional safety. What I'm trying to get at, those rules are not in concrete, and that was the reason a zebra crossing for Spa Road was turned down. I'd like that to be taken into consideration.
Thank you, Councillor Boddy. Okay, those minutes have been moved and seconded. All those in favour, please say aye. Against? Carried. 4.4, ordinary Kinloch representative group meeting on the 2nd of May. Any points of clarification on the Kinloch group? No. Moved by Councillor Jollins. Thank you very much. Seconded by Councillor Hickling. All those in favour, please say aye. Against? Carried. 4.5, ordinary Taupo Airport Authority committee meeting on the 13th of May. Any points of clarification on those minutes? No. Could I have a mover, please, for that? Thank you, Councillor Rankin. Seconded by Councillor Jollins. All those in favour, please say aye. Those against? Carried. 4.6, ordinary Turangi-Tongariro community board meeting on the 14th of May. Any points of clarification on those minutes? No. Moved by Councillor Stewart. Seconded by Councillor Kingy. All those in favour, please say aye. Those against? Carried.